Okay, so we begin this model. What is ministry? That is the first thing that I want to deal with in this video. What is ministry? Ministry is the spiritual service rendered on behalf of God in the manner that He has revealed to the people He has assigned to you and in the place that He has appointed unto you. Ministry is service rendered on behalf of God to establish and extend His dominion in the earth. Being called into ministry, you need to know, is a legal license, or you call it stamp of approval, given to a believer in Christ Jesus by God to do His work on His behalf. And the last thing I want to tell you is this: ministry is the highest operations of the Spirit of God in the earth through a human vessel. I hope you enjoy that.